Hey Divi Nation, and welcome to another installment of our weekly Divi Design Initiative, where each week we've been giving away a brand new Divi Layout Pack. And this week, Kenny and the team have created a prestigious Marathon Layout Pack for you. This Marathon Layout Pack has 9 pages included, and it is perfect for any Marathon website. The design is clean, the colors are bright, making the content more accessible. The landing page is beautifully designed, and it has some special elements like a countdown timer, a really cool registration call to action at the bottom there, and it even has an info page, which is a pretty smart addition, and an app page to help you market a race app if you want. So go ahead and join me in this next part of the video where I show you how to use it. To use the Marathon Layout Pack on your own website, you're going to first need to go and create a new page. To do that, go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Pages, Add New. Once there, you can enter the page title. In this case, it's going to be my home page. Click to use the Divi Builder, and then click to use the Visual Builder. Once there, navigate to the Settings menu at the bottom, click Add from Library. Search for the Marathon Layout Pack, click on it, and then find the Home page layout, and then click Use this layout. Once it's loaded onto the page, don't forget to publish it, and you are done. After that, you're going to continue that same process to create a new page for each of your corresponding layouts. If after clicking to use a certain layout, you are prompted to authenticate your subscription with Elegant Themes, you will need to enter your username and API key, and you can get that from the members area from elegantthemes.com. If you have already entered your username and API key under the Updates tab in Theme Options, you are good to go. After you've created a page for each of your layouts, you will want to go ahead and create a new menu. To do that, go ahead and navigate to Appearance, Menus. Once there, you're going to click to create a new menu. Give the menu a name and call it Main Menu. And then click Create Menu. Next, you're going to go over here to the Pages section here, and you're going to click to select all of the pages that you've created with your layouts. Once you do that, go ahead and add them to your menu, and then from the menu structure area, you can go ahead and organize the menu items however you like. Don't forget to select Primary Menu down here at the bottom so that it will be set to your primary menu. Click Save Menu, and then you are done. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. And we don't want you to miss out on any future giveaways, so please be sure to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook so that no matter where you get your info from, you're going to get a notification from us every single time we have something new for you. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.